Okay, today we are fixing a water leak at the water filter on a GE refrigerator. So the specific GE model we're working on is a GFE26JSMAFSS. So here's what happened. I replaced the water filter, purged the air out of the water filter. About an hour later, I came back and found a puddle of water on the shelf in the refrigerator. You can see when I took the filter out, there was water inside the housing here as well. So I'm going to get a pick and we're going to replace these 4 O-rings up inside here because that's where I believe the water leak is originating from. And you can buy a pick online at your local big box store, home center. I had to buy these O-rings, replacement O-rings on eBay. It was like $5 for a 10-pack. There's 2 different sizes. So there's a 1/2 inch by 5/8 by 1/16 of an inch thick. Then there's a 3/8 by 1/2 inch by 1/16 of an inch thick. Again, from eBay, $5 for each pack of 10. So I got 2 more O-rings I need to remove because, again, there's a total of 4 O-rings that you need to replace. And I'm going to use some plumber's silicone grease on the new O-rings. That'll help facilitate the installation process of the O-rings as well as the new filter. So you don't have dry rubber O-rings and dry plastic sliding against each other. That lubricant will help them slide together more easily and smoothly. You just need a tiny bit. You don't need a whole lot, because you don't want the lubricant or the grease to go inside the water filter, your water lines, etc. You just roll the O-rings on like so. Just distributing the lubricant all around the O-ring. And I'll roll it over past the first O-ring all the way to the back. And there's little grooves that the O-rings sit inside of, so make sure they're fully seated in those grooves. Like that. And now all 4 are installed and lubricated. Now we can go ahead and reinstall that new filter again. So you can see there's a small opening and a large opening, so make sure you line it up properly. It only goes on one way. And some XWF for this refrigerator. So remember, large hole to the large one, small hole, small one. And you push in and then twist to the right. Don't quite have it lined up. There we go. And push in and twist to the right. And that automatically starts to flow of water through the filter. But I'm not seeing any water leaks. Let me get my flashlight and take a better look. Yeah, I don't see any water dripping out anywhere anymore. So I think those O-rings fixed the leak. Woo! I'll give you a closer look. You can see in there no more water dripping out anywhere. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.